cat was flying in the air. He could not come down. Toto cat grabbed a pole and held on to it. Toto was holding on to a traffic light pole. He was directing traffic with colorful balloons. He got the balloons all mixed up. The traffic policeman was looking very angry. Toto saw the policeman walking towards him. Toto let go of the pole and went flying again.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ತಪ್ಪಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ. ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಹೊಡ್ರಿ ಅವಂಗ.